Good morning, Meridian. Welcome to Business Buzz. This morning, I'm sitting out here in the park at the chamber office, and we're talking with Jake Poole, the co-owner and chief pilot with Terravata. Welcome,
Yes, sir.
Jake. Hey, thanks for joining us this morning.
It's great to be here.
Yeah. So Terravata, full service, as you can probably see on the camera, full service drone company. What does that mean? What is a full service drone company?
Yeah, so we started off pretty heavy in agriculture, and we decided that we kind of wanted to tackle other markets in other industries. So what we do is we kind of look for kind of unique problems and identify those and come up with a practical solution. So we're not limited to just one industry, but we try to serve everybody in the community, and we just try to put our customers first.
So what is Terravata? What's the premise behind the name?
That's a great question. I've been asked that quite a few times. So what it is it's just a marriage between two words. So terra is Latin, it means on the ground or of the land, and vata means to take flight or be up in the air. And so we just combined those two words. We thought it was pretty fitting for the name of a drone company, and it stuck.
So, Jake, did this start out as a hobby and you just figured a way to turn it into a business? How did you get started in the drone business?
Yeah, so I actually wasn't much of a hobby pilot. I just kind of went in full force, but I was studying plant science up at the University of Idaho, and I needed an elective. And so I was walking through our ag science building one day, and I saw a little pamphlet for a drone course that they just started offering that semester. And I was like, well, might as well give it a shot and see how it is. And I took that, and it was a really good stepping stone into just kind of understanding drones, how they work, the process of photogrammetry, rendering images. And it was also a really good starting point to start getting my Part 107, which is a license that you have to have if you want to be a commercial pilot.
Okay. So your educational background kind of explains a little bit about the industry that Terravata specializes in. Tell us a little about that industry and what you do with the drones in that industry.
Yeah, so we started off with just a little guy. It was a DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and man, I still have that thing. It still flies really well, but we bought it originally to do plant counts. So we sell a little bit of corn seed, and once that seed's in the ground, it emerges, we like to go and get a count. And it's really time consuming to do that by foot. You have to go out there with the measuring tape, measure off, and you're only getting a small sample of that field. And with the drone and AI, you can go through and collect however many images that you'd like, and it would analyze how many plants per acre you had. It would show you the gaps between plants and your plant spacing. And then we realized that that's just one small little thing that we can do in just one industry. And so we just began building that out, and we realized we could use it for many more things: cattle counting, dropping beneficial insects on crops, crop mapping, using this multispectral camera here to look for like abnormalities in the crop to just oversee plant growth and make sure that everything's growing how it should.
Sounds very interesting. I know we're playing some videos of your drones actually flying over some crops and things like that. You talked a little bit about the drone here behind us, and this is the one that you drop the insects onto the crops?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the Agris T10. It's actually a spray drone that's retrofitted to release insects, and so you can see the drums on the bottom here. I can set the rotation speed, and I use them to drop beneficial insects on pretty much any crop you could think of, and any beneficial insect we could think of.
So what are some of the other industries that you've branched out into, that you started serving, and how do you use that drone technology in meeting those needs?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's quite a few industries, and we're finding more use cases literally every day. There's more and more that we find out that we can do. But some industries that we serve are construction, aggregates and mining, real estate, and agriculture, like I said previously. And then we also are doing window washing now with another member of the Meridian Chamber of Commerce, Blue Gander.
Yep.
We've partnered up with them, and we have another drone. It's similar to this size. It's actually a little bit bigger, and it has a hose tethered to it with a liquid payload.
I think we're seeing a video of that right now. So,
okay.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And so, yeah, we use that to go out and clean windows and exterior surfaces of high buildings.
Okay. So, Jake, what is the mission and vision of Terravata? What are you guys setting out to do? What are you trying to build with this company?
Yeah, so we just we want to be on the leading edge of all this technology that's coming out, and kind of our mission is to identify like unique problems and come out with practical solutions to solve those problems. And our vision is just to put our customers first and to always have their back and provide them with valuable data and resources that they can like actually use to help make their business more profitable.
Sounds like a very innovative company trying to solve problems with technology.
Yes.
So excellent. So Jake, how does someone get in touch with Terravata if they want to learn more, if they want to find out if you all can help meet some of their needs with your unique drone technology and approaches?
Definitely. There's quite a few different ways that we can be found. So we're online, terravata.com. We have Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and then my phone number's on the website. You can contact me there. And then we also have info@terravata.com that can be emailed.
Okay. Well, Jake, thank you so much. Really do appreciate this. And we'd love to see them fly sometime. So we've got an event coming up that we may give you that opportunity.
That'd be great.
So
looking forward to it.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. And thanks for being with us today. Upcoming chamber events, we have our Small Business Awards coming up August 31st. Tickets are available on the chamber website. Get those today. Until then, have a great weekend, Meridian.